Hello and welcome back to Modest Reviews. My name is Jason. If this is your first time checking us out, leave a comment below and let us know what you think. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing for the Zeny Cake Decorating Airbrush Kit, so stick around.
Like a Hellcat.
Alright, so here we are. We've got the Zeny Cake Airbrush Compressor. Here it says suitable for airbrushes. The kit is perfect for painting and cake decorating. It says compress only. It's got a few designs of some stencil work and some cake painting there. And it's got like little models and toys and even airbrush tattoos and fingernails. It says in this box you'll get the small compressor, single action gravity feed, electrical power cable with adapter, an airbrush holder, and an air hose. The specifications are saying 12 volt, 10 LPM air output minimum, max air pressure is 25 psi. Let's go ahead and take a look at it here. Alright, so first in the box here, looks like we have some instructions. Alright, so let's get it out and take a look at it. This is actually a fairly decent hose. It's not one of the cheap plastic ones like you would expect. It's actually got the nylon wrap, so that's good. Okay. Here's a little airbrush holder. Looks like that would clip into the top of the compressor there. So let's get that out and take a look at it here. Okay, so yeah, that would set in here just like so, which I guess you could also set it off to the side if you wanted to. This would be your on-off here. This is your airflow here controller. Your airflow controller. You could lessen or intensify that. And then this will just screw onto here. Next in the package we've got the adapter here. Looks like that just plugs into the side here. That would plug into the wall there. So that's all for the box there. So this is going to be the airbrush. So it is gravity fed, as it says. Very nice packaging, I must say. Everything seems very well incorporated in the box. Alright, so on the box it actually says single action gravity feed. This is a dual action. It's down for air, then back for paint. Very clean. Doesn't seem very smooth in the top of the lid there, but it does seem very clean. Doesn't feel oily, but I'll definitely give it a good cleaning before we use it there. Trigger feels really nice. Doesn't stick. Not loose. Feels real comfortable in the hand. Here we got a little eyedropper style there. Nozzle wrench, as you can see. I don't know if you can see that marking there. Not sure what's on that. This looks to be like you would screw it onto the airbrush and then slide a different type of hose on it or something like that. Let's take this out here. Alright, it says nozzle diameter is a 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, or 0.5 millimeter. The fluid cup capacity is 7 cc's. You definitely get a lot of informational material with it, so that's really good. Nice packaging again. The case is designed very well to keep everything from bouncing around. Keeps everything nice and safe. Get everything back in here real quick. Alright, so there we have it. There's the Zeny Cake Airbrush. Alright, and thanks again for watching, everyone. Stay tuned if you'd like to see the video that we put together of us actually hooking it up and using it so we can get a loudness test and see how well it actually sprays paint. And if you'd like, you can hit the notification bell so you can be notified of that new video whenever we upload it. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.